Baby is sleeping, but it is time to go to Germany. I am so excited. Yeah. In just a few minutes, we'll be heading out. Time to go? Oh, somebody's hungry. Yeah, Sugar's awake. We are ready to go. Oh my gosh. I've been looking for my face mask and I couldn't find it. I was so frustrated because it matches my headband. And at the last second, I found it. Yeah, I found it. I'm so happy. Yay! Oh, I found my face mask. Ready? Time to head out. I hope you had a good rest. Ready? Ready! Is that what you said? Ready! Yes, we are ready to go. We are ready to go. Yay! We are ready to go. Oh, he's happy.
Are you going to Germany? Having fun?
Oh my sugar. He's happy. All right.
Okay.
Let's unbed him.
Bye.
Large toolbox. And even if they can, they don't want to spend thousands of dollars on tools they'll rarely use. So when he presented his idea for this brilliant new tool to the company, he was expecting praise.
We made it in. Yeah. What is this? It's all new. Ready? 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 Oh, there's a playground. That's nice. Kids friendly. Hello.
doors and cross-check.
Namutin, Abdisan. Namutin, Abdisan.
Want to save them?
No. I just want to see make it that.
Ladies and gentlemen, children, just before landing, we will ask you all to take one final check now that your seatbelts are securely fastened.
Nabdisan. Nabdisan. Muem welam pedisan. Ou bien. Can we call? Natalie, Natalie, Natalie. Ah, Natalie. Natalie. Oh, oui, putain, un figure. We made it! Yay! Vous voulez? Okay.
Acharja Paul Sugar Heron Agus Paul Sugar Bally Clear, ladies and gentlemen, children, you're welcome to Ireland. You're very welcome to Dublin Airport. Time now 7:25. For your continued safety, we will ask you to remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign over your head is switched off. Please do remember to check the overhead bins and especially the seat pockets in front of you for all personal belongings that you brought on board with you last night. However, please do use caution when you reopen the overhead bins. Items may have moved around during the flight. They could fall out, causing an injury to yourself or another passenger. Dublin Airport is a no smoking zone. No smoking please at any time inside the terminal building. So finally, on behalf of your captain today, Ray Mannion, and especially your wonderful cabin crew who looked after you through the night, we do thank you for choosing to fly with Aer Lingus. It's always our pleasure looking after you all on board, and we do once again thank you for your cooperation.
modesty too.
And sincere apologies for our delayed arrival. Ground staff will once again meet the aircraft and we will make an announcement regarding onward flights. We wish you all a safe onward journey. Báil gur bhcáid a faoi táisiil Airlink is inniu tá sulacuid go raibh tar éis John sa gcuid agus gur gans for Airlink chéile sin arís go dtí sin slán agus banna cliff go léir. Thank you and once again a very safe onward journey to you all.
How she's supposed to be. I am trying to think where I can write something.
Oh my gosh. New event. New event.
I would hate for anybody to experience this. Irreparable. I know, it feels like
Pamit mo lahat dyan. We finally made it to Germany. Yeah. We made it to Germany. Yes. And we've been walking for a while to find our luggage. Because we are completely out of battery. Let's see. Are you happy that we finally made it? Ah. Yes, love. Wow, look at you. Copy. Dudu, Vinny. Vin par ici. Dudu, Vinny. Dudu. Ben, ça faut tomber. Vinny. Vinny.
You didn't use my password.
No, that's it. Sign the contract, that's it. Okay, so let's get. Yeah.
있어.
Chaque la vue est devant tourner. We recorded a few videos here yesterday at OK Mobility. It's a rental place. We are in the rental car section of Terminal 2 of the Frankfurt airport. And unfortunately, we left Virginia, Washington, D.C. since 1:30 p.m. on Saturday, and it is currently 10 p.m. Sunday, their time, and it is 4 in the morning on Monday, Germany time, and I still have not reached my destination. I am extremely disappointed in the services that I received and experienced with the airline that I chose to fly with. It's horrible. The whole experience has been horrible. The only positive thing about it so far has been that strangers have been helpful in helping me carry my luggage and belongings to help lighten the load with the baby. But otherwise, dealing with the airline was a nightmare yesterday in Ireland. They had me going around in circles, going up and down to try to resolve issues, because moments after we took off, we had just gotten in the air and there was an announcement that we had an emergency and had to land right back down because there was a fire on board. So it derailed all our plans. It really derailed all our plans, because I should have been here Germany time yesterday by 8 a.m. or so, and the plan was to be able to rent a car and drive out to our final destination, and that would have given me plenty of time to wait for the key to our Airbnb. It's 4 in the morning. I dozed off a little bit. I think maybe I slept for an hour or two. I forgot exactly what time I fell asleep, but I haven't gotten much sleep at all, because my first flight was supposed to be 6 hours. I thought we could sleep and get some rest. I didn't sleep because I was worried that something might happen, because in the end they allowed us to fly with the airplane that had a fire on it. So they said that the engineer gave the okay to fly with it. So and the passengers were not given any say in whether we wanted to continue to fly with the plane. We never deboarded the plane. They just went on and fixed the problem. But I'm not sure how far they were able to fix the problem, because it apparently affected our ability to be able to eat during the flight, which was horrible, because with the baby I have to eat at least every 2 hours in order to be able to keep up with milk production. Yeah, they did not have food or adequate food for us. No warm food for us. Luckily, I went shopping to stock our refrigerator for my partner so that he'd have things while I'm away. And I ended up buying a sandwich, and I had that with me, so I was able to eat that. And otherwise, they just gave us snacks in the airplane. So all in all, I'm extremely disappointed in my experience flying with Aer Lingus. Seriously, it's not worth it. The honest truth is that my partner told me, fly with I'm blanking out. What is the German company? Lufthansa. He told me fly with Lufthansa, but I just chose to go with that company out of curiosity, and it didn't work out. Seriously, they are not worth traveling with at all. They didn't have any help whatsoever. Despite being with the child, they gave us a voucher for food, $16 each, and I arrived in Ireland at I believe 5 or 6 in the morning, and they were not able to give me a connecting flight until 4 p.m. and they gave me $16 for food. So save yourself the heartache, the time, and skip that airline, because they are not worth flying with at all. It's 4 in the morning and we're stranded here, waiting to get a rental car. I'm not sure if I mentioned it earlier, but I did look at options for renting cars while I was at home. I decided against it because I had never been to Germany, and I'm not sure why I even thought this, but I thought probably because of the baby, that I don't know where the car rentals are. Maybe I'll have to walk very far to get the rental car, so it makes more sense to go there, rent a car, and walk off. And I am 100% sure it would have worked out if everything went according to plan, but because I would have gotten here very early, around 8 in the morning. But our flight ended up getting here at 9 p.m. Everything, all the rental places were already closed. There's an announcement.
Votre attention, s'il vous plaît. Veuillez ne pas laisser votre bagage sans surveillance.
Yeah, so by the time we got here at 9 p.m., everything was closed. I was not able to get a rental car. Then we came through Terminal 2. I went to Terminal 1 to check to see if they had any options, and the only one they had was not, how would I say, I didn't like what they had to offer. So I didn't take it. Because of that, we got stuck here. We have an hour drive to our destination. Yeah. We are functioning on very little sleep. Yesterday, I felt absolutely delirious in Ireland because I spent all day walking up and down, left and right, trying to find help with our situation. The biggest issue I had is that when I checked in, the lady told me that I had the option to check in my carry-on. And she was trying to be nice to lighten my load a little bit because I had a backpack for myself, a backpack for the baby, and the carry-on. Plus his stroller, the baby stroller. So we accepted and handed the carry-on to her. But in doing that, all my first aid, emergency plan, food for the baby got checked in. And when I heard that we had an emergency, I freaked out because my carrier was checked in, and I was imagining, if the plane were to fall down in the water or something, that would be my best line to keeping the baby attached to me. So I was very anxious and trying to brainstorm what to do in case of an emergency. Yeah, it was not a great experience at all, but at least everyone remained calm on board. They actually didn't tell us what the problem was while we were in the air. They only told us afterwards, once we were able to land and get a gate. Yeah, so that's been our experience so far. I don't think I missed anything. Unfortunately, the workers at the airport were not so friendly. I found one or two that were helpful in Ireland. Otherwise, the passengers were helpful, but I guess the nice thing is that once we got to Germany, the people were very welcoming, and a lot of people helped us last night to go from Terminal 2 to Terminal 1, and again back from Terminal 1 to Terminal 2. It's a lot of work. The Airbnb host did check in with me yesterday to see whether I would check into the place, and she told me that she had a car seat for me. I didn't know, so I did bring my own car seat because actually to get out of the airport I need one. So yeah, we came prepared. It was hard to manage with everything, but at the same time, I think I did okay packing. I just packed the bare minimum that I'll need for the 2 weeks that we'll be here. Um, yeah, I had something else to say. That, yeah, I thought I had everything planned out for a smooth trip, but the reality is you have to be ready for anything. I always say that if you're planning for fun, plan for hardship, plan for even greater hardship, because this should have gone smoothly, and I had food for the baby. I had everything in order, but nothing went according to plan. In the end, we didn't have food, we didn't have water. The delay from IAD in Virginia was 3 hours. Then the flight was 6 hours, or 6 hours and a little more. I don't know, maybe almost 7 hours. So you're looking at 10 hours there. And then when we got to the airport, they left us there for another 12 hours. So, and that whole time, I was not able to feed the baby. At this age, breast milk is not enough for him, and the food is not enough for him. So I feed him by giving him breast milk. I'll give him food first and breast milk, then he'll feel satisfied and will mellow down. But yeah, you all people traveling with babies, traveling by yourself, with families, the reality is that it doesn't matter how much you plan, things can go wrong. Be prepared for things to go wrong. And life really starts when you have to scramble for food, water, and to survive. So yeah, I would say avoid Aer Lingus. If you're traveling to Europe, avoid them because they don't have much customer service to be spoken of. It's just not worth it. Try another company. Even if they're brand new, you don't know what they are. It's been quite a nightmare for us traveling with them, because I should have been here since yesterday at 8 a.m. It is currently, so I should have been here Sunday 8 a.m. It is currently Monday 4 in the morning, 4 a.m. So think about it and travel safely. Yeah, we are happy to be in Germany, and I'm hoping that our stay here will be way more positive, way more fun, and exciting. That my son will have a lovely birthday celebration. He's gonna be one in few days now, really. A little more than a month, but we'll do an early celebration here. Have a wonderful time. And yeah, unfortunately we are going back home with Aer Lingus again, so we'll see how that goes. That's it, y'all. Puis va tomber, non? Va tomber. No. Rental car. Let's go home. Let's go to our place. In the left lane are going twice my speed, and right now I'm going 100 kilometers per hour. It's pretty scary when they go fly past you. Yeah, I have never driven. Oh, there's one coming. Oh, he's going, see, he's driving twice my speed. Always wondered about speed limits in Germany. Hello from Germany. Yes. We made it. We made it. It is currently 12:39 and we got here since I believe about 10:30 or so. And we love the place. We love the place. Yes. Yes, you want to say hello? Say hello from Germany. Hello. Yeah, so my son stopped the video. He likes to, hold on, don't do that. He likes to click on the remote for the camera. Be careful, love. Yes, let's adjust. Are you okay? Wow, what a good boy. What a good boy. We're having a bit of a situation here. Anyway, I had to adjust the camera a little bit. It is so nice in here, y'all. I cannot believe how nice our place is. I already said that. And yes, I feel like you're playing with the microphone. You unplugged the microphone. No, these are devices to record with. And you can record with me, you can be in my videos, but don't touch it and play with it for no reason. Yes, love. Yeah, come here, sit. Tell us how you feel about the place. How do you like the place? Do you like the place that I chose? Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Play easy. Yeah. Don't touch the microphone. Yeah. You want mommy to record you? Let me record you. I'll be the cameraman. All right. My son is gonna give us a is gonna give us a walkthrough of what the place looks like. Let's go.